7 Vim editors for better productivity in 2022. Vim is a flexible, efficient, and open-source terminal-based text editor. Vim stands for Vi Improved, which means it's a revamped version of the Vi text editor. In this video, we'll show you some excellent Vim-inspired editors that help you be more productive. Let's get rolling. 1. NeoVim. NeoVim is a fast, modern, and hyper-extensible Vim-based text editor. NeoVim is designed for users that want the best of Vim plus additional features. It is a free and open-source text editor tool. 2. Kakoune. Kakoune is a free and open-source code editor. It is a Vim-based editor to improve the editing mechanism for more responsiveness. It is extremely customizable according to user requirements. 3. Helix. Another elegant and portable Vim editor is Helix. Helix is a Rust-based modern text editor. In Helix, TreeSetter is used for syntax highlighting, similar to NeoVim. 4. AMP. AMP is a fast, scalable, and Vim-based text editor. It includes all of the essential elements of a contemporary text and code editor. It runs in a terminal similar to Vi/Vim editor. 5. Mo. Mo is another fantastic text editor based on Vim and written in the multi-paradigm programming language NeoVim. It's a text editor that runs on a terminal similar to AMP, Nano, and Vi. Mo utilizes the very same environment and key bindings as similar to Vim. 6. This is a highly efficient free and open-source text editor that combines the best features of Vi and Sim editors. It's a screen-oriented editor with good Unicode support that can handle a wide range of files, including binary and directory files. 7. File. File is an elegant open-source text editor that incorporates features from both the Emacs and Vi editors. File stands for Vi-like Emacs, written in C language. It supports syntax highlighting, multiple window selection, command auto-completion, and more. Conclusion. The Vim-inspired editors described in this video, together with their distinctive features, can help you choose the best one according to your needs. Try them out right now. Thanks for watching.